Hello everyone, we are in Photoshop for editing. So let's use the pattern stamp that it is. For more we will apply the gradient on it. But I will reverse it. Here we have the different options in filter gallery. In filter gallery we have these options. Increase the stroke length, darkness and light intensity as well. Neon glow. So we will apply all the options on edges and watercolor. Apply the texture and go with the watercolor. Here we will remove the filters we have added on that picture.